In here, we'll be exploring the Analytics section within the Content Manager. Analytics give you powerful insights into your app's performance, user engagement, and content effectiveness, allowing you to make data-driven decisions to optimize your app experience. Let's start with App Analytics. In this section, you can view essential statistics that help you track your app's reach and engagement. Key metrics include the number of app downloads, new users, active users, and daily engagements. You can also filter these metrics by platform to see how your app is performing on iOS versus Android. Additionally, the date range filter allows you to focus on a specific period, whether you're looking at daily, weekly, or monthly data. Next, let's explore Content Analytics. This section provides insight into which screens are the most popular in your app, helping you understand where users spend most of their time. Each screen's views are displayed, giving you a clear idea of the most visited areas. Additionally, you can track the performance of your posted content by viewing the number of times each post has been seen. Just like App Analytics, you can filter Content Analytics by date range, making it easier to observe trends over time. Understanding these analytics can help you enhance user engagement and optimize your content strategy.